Hi everyone, I'm Joel from Joel Property, and today I'm at 30 Silverwattle Grove in Peregian Springs. This home has a unique floor plan with 2 master bedrooms, which suit a multi-generational family, someone seeking passive income, or those who are simply wanting more space. The heart of the home is the stone kitchen and open-plan north-facing living. There are 2 large bedrooms which are serviced by a central bathroom, and then master bedrooms with en-suites at each end of the home. Outside, there is plenty of natural light into the undercover entertaining and backyard, which perfectly suits a pool or room for kids and pets to play. Thanks so much for watching. This property, although located in a quiet court, is walking distance from local schools and shops and has easy access to the Sunshine Coast motorway and into Coolum and Peregian Beach. We look forward to meeting you at the next open home. For those interstate, we're more than happy to walk you through virtually.